So, came down here to the Freedom Factory. It's a different array of stuff. You got diesel, rotary, V10, Dodge. I'm picking to win probably that white truck. That's my. I've never seen any of these cars rip other than on videos. I've never seen them rip in person other than obviously the two house cars. But good luck. I thought it was going to tip.
I was thinking it was going to too. I was rooting for the tip of it.
Yeah, that would have been pretty sweet. This is a tip.
Instead of cow tipping, tractor tipping.
Diesel tip.
Tractor engine, tractor tires.
The tractor engine?
I mean, diesels are pretty much tractor engines.
They would say it's quite the unit.
Yeah.
You should make him sign 2 waivers next time.
First engine.
I think something's gaping there. You sent it, right? Came here to send it.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I've been waiting on that.
What do you think of that, Dad? Your sweeper got here late.
Sweeper's gonna be here soon, and we'll just sweep the truck right up. It's gonna go. Don't worry about it.
Dude, way to go, guys!
2 for 2 right now. Huh?
Alright,
She's cooking.
I protected it. There's cardboard surrounding the tank.
windshield.
She's hissing, but he definitely killed it. I think that's the best show so far. What do you think, Dad?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, I think mine was a little better.
I liked how he stopped and he kept it along the line.
Right now, Alex is about to bring his only daily driving vehicle out on a pad and destroy it.
I mean, I hope
You
there's
got
enough
27 other
cars
cars.
here to take people home.
Don't.
I have one daily driver that put way too many miles on her.
I mean, he kept dropping the sauce. If you're pouring, you gotta stay in it. As soon as he dropped the sauce, that's it. Lost momentum.
Knew I was gonna
Could be
break it.
worse.
I know a place you can bring it to get it fixed.
It's definitely not cheap.
He's gonna try to one up the bar. He's gonna cost us about $35,000. I'm calling it. What do you think?
I don't know.
That's a lot of warm up.
That spaghetti sauce is gonna be spicy.
Lots of fun. That's it. It's the humdinger.
He's the one that's taking home the cake.
Yeah, oh yeah.
He's taking home the cake.
Well,
the boat.
he's the mechanic still.
Yeah.
Think about that.
He kept all the good parts.
He wants job security.
Sounds like cheating.
It's job security.
That is.
I mean, I guess congrats, James. Congrats to all you guys for competing in the first Freedom Factory Burnout contest. Shout out to the 316 Speed guys for making this amazing burnout pad happen.
I mean, that's it for today. It's not that hot. I mean, pretty hot if you're from California. I'm not used to the heat at this time of the year, but overall, I mean, sorry, Abe, you missed it. But you know, there's more events. There's gonna be more events. You should have just gone in there, man. Gone rogue. Like, but when they said it was all done, just came in, white helmet on, like the Stig, and just burned out, hit a pole, flipped, and got out of the car, done a somersault. That's it. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video. Maybe we're gonna get into some more shenanigans, or maybe we just get drive-through because nothing's open. All right. It's the first time a Ford ever left on its own power and then the Chevy stayed behind.